Welcome to PreMath. In this video, we have got this green shaded triangle DEB and this purple shaded triangle BDF are fully confined in a blue square ABCD, as you can see in this given diagram, such that the area of this green shaded triangle has been given to us as 60 centimeters square. And moreover, this segment AE length is 7 centimeter, whereas this segment BF length is 17 centimeter. And now our task is to calculate the area of this purple shaded triangle BDF. Please don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe. And please keep in mind that this figure may not be 100% true to the scale. Let's go ahead and get started. And here's our very first step. Let's focus on this blue square ABCD. If I label this side length of this square as x, then this side length is going to be x, x, and x across the board. And now we know that this segment AE length is 7 centimeter. So therefore, this remaining segment DE length has got to be x minus 7. And now we are going to focus on this green shaded triangle BDE. And we can see the area of this triangle has been given to us as 60. And now let's recall the area of a triangle formula. Area is always equal to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And here we can see the base of this green shaded triangle is x minus 7. The height of this green shaded triangle is x. And the area has been given to us as 60. So therefore we can write our area 60 equals to a half times x times x minus 7. And now I'm going to multiply both sides by 2 to remove this fraction. And here we can see this 1 divided by 2 and 2 is gone. So we are ended up with 120 equals to, and we are now going to distribute. That is going to give us x square minus 7x. And now I'm going to move this 120 on the other side. So therefore we can write x square minus 7x minus 120 is going to be equal to 0. So thus we are ended up with this quadratic equation x square minus 7x minus 120 equal to 0. And we are going to solve it by grouping and factoring. So therefore I'm going to tweak this middle term. Negative 7x could be written as negative 15x plus 8 times x. As you can see in this next step, I have replaced this negative 7x with negative 15x plus 8x. And now we can see x is in common for first two terms and 8 is common for last two terms. So therefore we can write x times x minus 15 plus 8 times x minus 15 equals to 0. And here we can see x minus 15 and x minus 15, they are in common. So therefore our factors are going to be x minus 15 times x plus 8 equal to 0. And now we are going to separate them. X minus 15 equal to 0. And the other one is going to be x plus 8 equal to 0. For this first equation, our x value is going to be positive 15, and for this second equation, x value is going to be negative 8. And now we can see x equals to negative 8 value is not feasible since x represents the side length. So therefore we are going to reject this negative value of x and we are going to accept x equals to positive 15. So thus we can see our x value turns out to be 15. So therefore x value I'm going to replace with 15, 15 over here, 15 over here, and likewise 15 side length over here. And now we are going to focus on this right triangle BCF. And I'm going to label this segment CF length as lowercase a. And now our task is to find the value of lowercase a. So therefore we are going to apply the Pythagorean theorem on this triangle. And here's our Pythagorean theorem: a square plus b square equal to c square. And in our case, our hypotenuse is 17, whereas our two other legs are lowercase a and 15. Let's go ahead and fill in the blanks in this Pythagorean formula. So we got a square plus 15 square equals to 17 square. Let's simplify. A square plus 225 equals to 289. And now I am going to subtract 225 from both sides. And here we can see this is gone. So therefore a square value is going to be equal to 64. And now I'm going to undo this square by taking a square root on both sides. So therefore our lowercase a value turns out to be positive 8 centimeter. So therefore our this lowercase a value turns out to be 8. And now let's make an observation. We can see this whole side length is 15 centimeter. And this segment CF length is 8. So therefore this remaining segment DF length has got to be 7 centimeter. And finally we are going to focus on this purple shaded triangle BDF. And we are going to calculate the area of this purple shaded triangle. And let's recall the area of a triangle formula once again. Area equals to a half times base times the height of the triangle. And in our case, the base of this purple shaded triangle is 7. Whereas the height of this purple shaded triangle is 15. So therefore purple shaded triangle area is going to be a half times the base is 7 and the height is 15. If we simplify, that is going to give us 105 divided by 2, and that is going to be equal to 52.5 centimeter square, the area of this purple shaded triangle. So thus after all the calculations and manipulations, the area of the purple shaded triangle turns out to be 52.5 centimeter square. In other words, the area of this purple shaded triangle is going to be 52.5 centimeter square. And that's our final answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.